God knows who be who for this world though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home.
Today.
I'm good. How did you find me here?
My instinct. So what are you doing? Fixing the car?
Yeah.
Please, I would like you to join me for lunch. Please do not say no.
I would have loved to do that, but the owner of this car is coming to pick it.
If you don't fix the car today, would someone die?
No. I mean, I have to work on this car and the owner is going to take it.
Don't worry, I understand everything you're trying to say. Okay, just get someone to fix the car. I'll pay.
Madam, the money is too much. Oh.
How much is it?
Aside the parts that I sent them to go and buy, the workmanship is 50,000 naira.
Just that. All your details, I'll send you the money to you. Don't worry, I can sort it out, okay? So, meet me in the car. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay, let me change my mind.
With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Know who you they relate with. Oh. Only God knows who be who for this world though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom. Agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Beware, know who you they relate with. Oh. Only God knows who be who for this world though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh.
Nika, did you see my husband?
Hey, madam, how are you?
I'm fine. I have been looking for him everywhere here. I can't seem to find him.
Have you checked for him around?
I have been everywhere around this workshop. Nobody seems to know his whereabouts.
Have you checked for him? Did you check him around?
I said I have been everywhere. I've been gallivanting around here now.
I think he went to buy parts. You know,
okay.
It's not been long he left.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Where's the Eduk? I bought the goods he sent me to buy in Buka Market.
Okay, just drop it there. Drop it there. Okay?
I thought you said he went to buy goods. Oh, so he didn't even go to the market. Hey, this is interesting. Okay. His mates are busy working to earn money. Where did he go to?
Okay, I think he went to deliver a car for a client.
Oh.
Don't worry, it won't take time. He'll be back, okay?
Oh, is that right? I will wait for him. Let him go and come back. He will meet me here. He went to deliver car. Where is his chair? Let me sit down and wait until he will come back to meet me here.
Relax.
If you come back, meet me here. No problem. Go and deliver the car and come back. Oh, Ejike.
Please.
Car deliverer.
Relax, madam.
He want to buy parts. Now he want to deliver car. Okay. No problem. I will wait for him here. His mates are busy working any money. He left. Okay. Let him go come back.
How are you doing?
Chief, please leave me alone.
What is that? Why are you behaving like a child?
Chief, you're not treating me right. You are not being fair to me at all. You are not. I mean, you don't keep to your words. You're not treating me right. You need to do the needful.
Is that what this is all about? I've made a lot of expenses lately. My wife just traveled to Dubai for a conference. I have my children's school fees and other expenses to cater for. I'll give you something later, not now. I have spent a lot. I've spent a lot lately.
So, Chief, you're trying to tell me that I am not in your budget? That I'm not important?
Not really.
Chief, are you trying to tell me I do not give it to you very well? I mean, you practically sleep with me every day. You sleep with me more than you sleep with your wife. So you have to level up. I give it to you very well. You have to level up.
Are you pregnant?
How can I be pregnant?
Okay, I think what I have for you is 5,000. You have to manage it for now, all right?
Chief, sincerely speaking, I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about it. You have to sit up. You have to boil up the game.
Don't worry, I promise. This time, I'll make it big if you do it well. You know what I mean?
As if I've not been doing it well.
I know, you do it well.
Chief.
Yeah, man.
Chief, you have to do well this time around.
Yeah.
You know how I do it.
I'll take you back.
Oh, really? Come on, let's go. Oh, doggo.
Oh, dog.
Chief.
Yeah.
Chief.
Hello. Look, Brother Nika. Is it outside this state my husband went to deliver the car? Because I've been here waiting for hours. Huh?
Madam, he didn't tell me actually where he went to. And besides, I've closed for the day. I'm about to go. The security men will not allow you to wait here for long.
Yeah.
And it's not safe for you as a woman.
Oh, Etiko. So this is how you do your own mechanic? Huh? Going to people's house to deliver cars and to repair cars. Okay. Your God has exposed you today.
Madam, please.
Your God has exposed you. No problem. Between you and I today, heads will roll. Heads will roll, oh Etiko. Go and come back. Go, thank you. Thank you for telling me the kind of man I'm married to. For exposing him. No problem. Hey, God, thank you. Thank you for exposing him.
It's nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, no, come on. I didn't have.
It's okay.
Okay. Cheers. You know, like as I was saying,
This for me. This for me. You were good. Baby, you are soft.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah. Come.
Yeah. What do you want?
Smile up is fine.
Smile up. Okay, I want Guinness. Then do you have turkey?
Yes, sir.
Like as I was saying, babe, are you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It was the guy I told you about.
Yes,
What
sir.
of this you?
Oh, no.
Kobe.
No, but we have chicken vegetable. We have cow too.
Okay.
And
So what do you want?
No, I'm good with just a
Do you want to eat anything?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
All right.
Oh, is the one?
Yes, I'm sorry. I don't think I can stay here
No,
anymore.
it's okay. It's okay. Just be strong. Be strong, okay?
If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction.
Yeah. So.
Know who they relate with. Only God knows who be who for this world. I say beware, agents of darkness. They look for
so lucky to have. Not my fault. Babe, you are sweet. Is it my fault you are sweet?
You know what I was telling you about?
Give me water. Joel.
Joa. Ebere, look at you. Ibidokwanisi. Look at Rose. A girl I helped and supported when she had nothing. I was there for you. I helped you. Now see. Rose cannot help me with ordinary 50,000 naira. Ordinary 50,000 naira to start a trade. She cannot help me. She keeps giving me excuses. Ebere, Etiko. What am I good for? What? Nothing. Apart from her running to me for advice when she has problems. That's the only thing I'm good for. Rose. Peace of mind, Oga Baruke. As far as Ebere is concerned, you cannot have money and have peace. What is not possible? For where? You cannot have your cake all to yourself. How can you have money and have peace? Rose. Kai.
Mother not dead. Hey! Okay. Never.
Anayo, what are you doing? Why are you pouring water on your head?
I'm losing strength. You came now. My strength is entering inside my pocket. I don't have strength again. I can't even breathe well. Minutes.
You are losing strength. You can't even breathe well. What did you do? So that little thing you did inside, you want to faint?
Janet.
Hey, I thought you sent for malt and milk.
You nearly finished me inside. And you say that thing I did. Somebody's husband is about to enter ground. And you are talking like this. What kind of machine are you?
Hey.
German machine or China?
You are too lazy. I thought you sent for this so you can take it and have more strength to fire on.
You want to kill me before my time?
You have not done anything.
Please. Miss. I'm fainting. Give me. Boy, make it on.
Take.
Somebody's son is dying.
Take it. I'm coming.
Somebody's son is dying.
Come with the knife and open it. Just once you finish drinking it, come back inside. We are going to continue from where we stopped. You've not done anything. So
did I hear you well?
Let me just come with the knife.
Bring machete. If you don't see knife, bring machete.
Okay, we will continue from where we stopped. Don't worry. Let me bring the knife.
Janet.
Agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma. Welcome.
Yeah. So, EJK, you are most welcome to my humble abode.
Chelogodi, you mean you own this place?
Yes. I told you already. I own it. I built it. I'm not on rent.
Hey.
You like?
Like? It's wonderful. This house is beautiful. Wow. I'm happy for you.
I'm glad you like it. Thank you.
You must have touched money.
By the special grace of God, I'm still in money. That is why it hurts me so much that after everything I did for Anthony, he treated me the way he did. That he's rich today is because of me. That he drives a car is because of me. So I feel very hurt when I remember everything he did to me.
It's
but
okay.
It's fine.
It's okay. Don't just think deep, okay?
I've let it go.
You know,
I was there then. You never liked me, you know. Though we were best of friends, there was nothing in common. But now that we are together, I promise you I'm going to love you till the end.
Okay. You know,
what I'm saying is coming from my heart.
I know. There is always a reason for everything, you know.
Yes, just try and see. Just try me and see.
Yeah? Okay. Just come inside first. Come with me.
Let me help you.
You want to carry my bag? Yes. Are you serious?
Yeah, it's part of the Lord. I'm showing you that already.
Hey! Only God knows who be who for this world, though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Hey! Them they busy, they look for who they go break in. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere.
Ejike, Otakede, is this how you are? Every day you will leave this house in the name of work, only to go to one of your stupid concubine's house to relax. Hey! Ejike, it is God that will punish you. My God will judge you. You will not see anything good in this your useless, miserable life. Foolish man.
No, baby! Babe! Nah. You don't look happy. What's up?
Everything is up, Ozamaka. Everything is up. Sit down, Biko.
Don't worry. Just talk. Let me stand. What is it?
Okay. You remember you told me to follow Eduk as his shadow? That was what I did. I should not give him a British piece of where? At all. I didn't give him. So today, I said let me go to my husband's shop to know how things are going. You understand? I got there. Eduk was nowhere to be found. Up till now, he's not even back. Can you believe that? I waited to the closing hour, he was still not back. Hey, God. I am shocked. But it's well. You should come back.
Nika, I told you all these things now. I have seen, heard, and even experienced their wicked behavior. Thank God you followed my advice, so otherwise you would have been living in a fool's paradise.
My sister, oh. Thank God you opened my eyes, oh.
I'm a good friend.
Thank God you opened my eyes. Because all this while, I could swear that Eduk had been faithful to me. I never knew that my husband was not just poor. He was also a cheat. A very bad cheat at that. It's okay. It's not me. It's me and Eduk. No problem. Hey. No problem.
Nika, let me warn you. Don't worry yourself about these little things. Don't worry yourself. All this thing happens in marriage. Life is too short. So enjoy your life to the fullest.
Eduk,
you are still young. So enjoy your life. BP is a silent killer. Enjoy your life to the fullest.
Okay.
Don't allow any man to take you for granted.
And come back. Just enjoy yourself there. Because this place will not contain you and I.
So can you get off this mood? Let me give you a gist.
Let that gist wait for later. This is Eduk's moment. I don't want to get off this mood. See this mood? I will be in this mood until he returns. So that I will devour him like a dragon and a lion. Anthony Joshua, you should come.
Once again, you are most welcome to my house.
This house is wonderful.
Huh?
You mean you did all this?
But I told you already. I actually built it. Come on, honey. Enough of the compliments. Thank you.
I wish to have a house like this of my own. Eh? They couldn't know him, eh?
That's what happened.
This is wonderful. This is a big one coming from a woman like you.
God will give you. You attract what you appreciate. Okay? Yeah. Yes, of course. All right, I'll be right back, honey.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Right.
God. What is this now, eh? Sometimes it looks as if I escort people come this world. Eh? All the hustling. Nothing is coming out. What am I going to do? God, please now. Help me now. Eh? I don't even know the last time I tasted this kind of wine. Hey! More than Nika.
Oh! Where is the better Chuku? What is keeping you with the food? Did you can't the city near? Companaka ki just here. Bring the food. I don't need a mom jijijeba. What is keeping you? I don't like this. Here. Chineke Monso. Can the problem be here? Because a man will come back to his house to eat. The wife will not bring the food.
Only man said I'm coming. I'm coming.
You are coming. What is coming?
I'm coming.
Or can't you just sit near? Palaka. Eh? Are you bringing the food from Syria or Damascus? That you cannot come here so fast. What is all this thing? You want me to die so that you inherit my property?
Honey, I'm almost done.
Hey!
I'm almost done.
You are drinking holy water.
I'm coming.
What do you mean you are coming? See, if you don't come out with food now, bring your breast here. Pick up. I'm very hungry here. You are still wasting time. Food, you can just go into the kitchen and bring fast. I don't know. I'm mad.
Honey, let me go.
We bring the food, you silly.
Let me go. Niggy, see it. This is your food. Naya. This is your food.
What is this? Fufu. Tomorrow, fufu.
No, it's not small.
Go and get more. This thing is very small. As I'm talking to you now, I no longer have intestine. My depression and intestine are intact. Please. There's one job I did now, very hard job. So the thing, there's one job I did in order to make money. So the thing is shaking on me. It's shaking me. All my intestine have gone. So this thing will not be enough.
Honey, I thought you ate before leaving the house this morning.
You thought I ate before leaving? No, is it in the Bible that they said once a man eats in the morning, he should not eat in the afternoon?
It is 12 o'clock.
So the food I ate was forever food. Till death do us apart. I will not eat another food. Is it? What do you mean by I ate in the afternoon? Did you eat in the morning? See, please, go and get more fufu.
There is no apple in the house.
There's no apple in the house. Then go get another plate. You see this one? This one is bigger. Cut it, put it in the plate, please. So that once I'm finishing this one, I can tap here.
Honey, if I cut it, what are you now going to use inside?
Inside, I'll manage one. Or if you cannot cut the breast, the boil or rice.
Honey, rice kwa?
Osikapa. Osikapa. Osim rice kwa. Go and buy rice. Almost 7 cups, you see.
Honey, 7 cups.
1.5 cup. The way I feel now, if you block my way, I'll eat you. See, if you cannot cook the rice, in fact, bring this one, let me be sucking at you.
Honey, my bed, leave me alone. Let me go and pour your rice.
Go and pour rice. You silly. Go and pour rice. You cannot bring breast, you cannot bring rice. Look at small this thing you offered me. Only one I go general. All my intestine, they have gone. The aquarium they have gone strike. I'm so empty. You want breeze to carry me and throw away me, so that by the time I die, you inherit my property. Is there any man that you are targeting? What is all this? The man can come into the house, he'll be begging for food. Who does that? And you want me to use the strength I have to finish talking to you? By the time I die, you will cry. Highest 1 year, you will marry another man. You wear black clothes. Use my money to buy black clothes. Nonsense, you silly. Please go and buy rice. Over 8 cups here. In the night, I will eat it. Hey! I did good work. It's obvious. I did good work. Jeanette, it's not my destiny to die in your hands. I have a wife, please. Be careful with me. Bring it!
Hey. Hi, darling. You seem to be very weak. You okay?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm so tired. I slept off.
Would you want to come inside the bedroom?
No, I have to go now.
Go?
Yes.
Go to where? No, baby, I don't want you to go. I want you to stay with me a little longer, okay?
You see,
No, there is nothing to say. You know, as funny as it may sound, the truth is that I've fallen in love with you. Yes, I love you so much I can't even hide it anymore. I know it's not right somehow, but that is the truth. I am in love with you. Do you also love me?
Yes. Yes, I'm in love with you too. And I promise to always love you. But please, promise me that you never break my heart.
Never will I.
Are you sure?
Never in this world.
Hey.
You don't know how much I love you. Oh, baby. You know, I've got so many recipes on how I make food. So I'll just make one for you that you test.
I think I just had one.
Oh, no, you haven't. you have no idea. Okay, honey, I'll go start. Okay, just be here. I'm coming. Oh.
Today. It's okay. You will come back and meet me in his house. No problem. I'll wait for you here.
No meat. Na egugi.
Onny, how is market now?
Fine, no, we thank God. You're welcome.
Thank you. I came to see Anayo. Is he here?
Anayo. No, he's not here. Anna, I have not seen him today. I have not seen him.
But his friend just told me he came here.
His friend?
Yes.
Anayo. Anayo hasn't been here today now. He hasn't been here.
Okay, maybe he's on his way. He will meet me here, so let me just wait for him. While I wait, please give me a bottle of Heineken.
Heineken? Okay, I don't have Heineken, no. As you can see, I'm writing my market list. I don't have anything, Maybe you should check or go case by. He will have.
Just give me what you have there. Anything you have, bring it. Bring it. Then a plate of goat meat pepper soup. Very, very peppery. I'm hot. Bring it. Hey. I'm sure he'll be here soon.
I have checked. I don't have anything at all. I don't have anything, eh? That's why I'm making this market list. I want to go to the market.
So you mean you don't have anything again in this shop?
Just go and check Ogo case bar. He has everything in quantum, everything.
Yeah. Huh? Hey. So what are you still sitting down doing here now? You should lock up your shop now. Since you don't have anything. Empty shop.
You. I should lock up my shop. And do what?
You're not selling anything. What are you doing?
Yeah. You don't have drinks, you don't have milk. Okay, Janet, come and be going.
I'm going.
Leave my shop, come and be going. Nana is not here.
Close down your shop. I'm going. Empty shop.
Atame. Frokodi Imbenu. Nonsense girl. Janet of our village.
Give me 5.
Yeah, madam.
What nonsense? Eh? Is she silly? She's coming back.
Anna, see,
let me tell you. Don't shout. What do you think you have done for me?
You want me to call her back?
You call who? Call her. I can buy your shop and give her.
You know how much drink she would have bought from me now?
You know how much I would have bought here. I can give you money.
You don't have money.
I owe you. She want me to pay for her again.
Now you are seeing Janet, you are running. Janet, your babe.
Yes, my babe. I don't have money today.
How are you?
Awesome, how are you? Where are you coming from? You stay with the man.
I wasn't out on walk.
Liar! Liar! Try something else. Where are you coming from?
It was eating me here.
Where are you coming from? Answer me.
Please, I don't have time for this, eh? There's no time for this, please.
Look at who is talking. Do you know the difference between right and wrong? Eh? You are full of trash. You have never done anything useful in this your miserable life. You are nothing but a bag of cabbage and garbage.
Are you mad? How dare you talk to me like that?
Who are you?
Eh? Have you lost it?
I have lost it. I have lost it, Eduk.
Come back.
Which food? They give it for what? Who are you that you do food?
What is wrong with you?
You are mad. You are a useless man. I regret the day I married you. I caused the day I said yes to you. Fear! Foolish man.
Hey, Ochu.
Ewu! Stupid man.
Ochu. Nonsense.
You will not ruin my life and go free. I will deal with you. Bet me. Come and bet me now. I will give it back to you. You are messing with the wrong woman. Useless man. Foolish thing. Nonsense. You go and come up whenever you want. Hey! Oh! I'll deal with you in this house. You will see. On your Zeus. God will punish you. Go! Go to where you are going to. You are nothing but a useless man. You are a wretched man. Go and come back here. You will come back to meet me here. Go! Poor wretched thing. Oh, Zura. Foolish man. Empty. Oh, honey.
Hello, madam. I have not gotten my delivery. I hope it's exactly what I ordered. Okay, fine. Oh, she's here already. Okay, that's fine. Alright, thanks. Yeah, who's there? Come in. Hi. You took so much time. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you so much. Yeah, my regards to your mother.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Wow.
Hey! You know if you cry, I'm going to start crying. Hey. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Hey. Sister, crying is not going to solve this matter. It's just that the dream I've been having about you, but it's not good at all.
Let it happen, no. Let it happen, Ebere. I am going to kill Eduk and face the law. I will kill him.
But sister, you will not do that.
I will do it, though. I will do it.
Sister, you will not do that.
What wrong have I done? Tell me what I have done wrong. After I got married to Eduk, he asked me to quit my job. Same month he lost his own job. And since then, everything has gone bad. Eduk no longer sleeps at home. What kind of a man is that? What kind of a man is that? Tell me.
Sister, calm down. I'm your sister. I cannot lie to you. Sister, protect your marriage. Sister Eduk loves you. Sister, you don't know marriage is perfect. Every marriage has their own share of problems. Like me and Anayo, our problem is long. What are we gonna go? Hey? Okay now, sister. What if the way Eduk is behaving now is because of his present financial situation? Have you forgotten how he used to pamper you? He adores the very ground you walk on. Sister, give him time. Look at him, ma. Give him time. For how long? For how long? Give him time till he more. Eh? Give him time for what? Tell me. Until he brings another one into our home? Eduk will not do that. Eduk will not do that. He loves you. Eh? Sister, eh? No. That cannot happen. Oh, Ebezina. Guide your marriage, sister. Guide and protect your marriage. Your husband is your pride. Do you remember where we come from?
How is Anayo? All people know.
Sister Anayo is there. Same old problem. We're just here praying to God to remember us one day. He's barely at home. You cannot see him at home by this time.
Why is all this happening to us?
Sister Malcolm.
Why?
Malcolm.
God, please save us. Please save us. Hey.
Sister Nika, do you have any money with you? As you're seeing me here now, I've not eaten since morning. There is no food in this house. I'm telling you. I'm not that full. I'm suffering in this village. At least if you have any money, I'll quickly go to the market and make something. So you eat before you go back to the city. I'm suffering. I'm suffering.
I have small money here.
Stop.
Just sit down, okay?
agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh.
Hi, honey. Why is your face like this? Your wife again? Come tell me about it. Why? I don't like it when you look like this. Okay, come sit down. Please. What has she done this time? Talk to me.
Babe.
Yeah?
Am I a bad person? Because I know we've known each other for some time now.
Yes.
And before we became close, we've had several encounters.
Yes.
Why wouldn't I have a moment of peace in my house?
Honey, listen to me. You are nothing close to being bad. Not to talk of being a bad person. No, you're not. Don't even utter such word again.
Hey, why will I not have a moment of peace in my house? Is it my fault that I'm poor? Huh?
No, it's not.
Why is Nika behaving like this? Before now, things were going well with me. When I was working in the bank, I made sure that Nika never lacked anything. I provided her with all the good things she needed.
Honey, the thing is that I know you to be a good person. And I trust you. I know you will stand up again and stronger this time around. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? You are a hard-working man. And I believe that with time, everything will be okay. Don't stress it. Don't.
Babe, all I need now is to focus and know what I am doing. I just want God to help me and bless me so I can stand on my feet again.
I will help you. You don't need to talk too much. God send us destiny helpers. I will help you. I will stand by you. I will love you. I will treat you like a baby. I will do everything for you. That is to show you how much I love you. Okay? Now listen, I ordered this food just for you and I. I was gonna call you, but alas, you came in quite at the right time. So, I want you to be free. Okay, let us eat. I want you to be happy.
I have appetite to eat anything.
No, don't tell me that. Even while you're with me, you don't have appetite? What do you think of me? Honey, eat your food, okay? You want peace? Peace I shall give you. My home is a place of solace for you. You don't have a problem. You know I love you, right?
I love you too.
No, I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more. Eat your food. You want me to feed you? I can actually do that. Fine. No, I can feed you. So I'll give you the first. I give you the first. Open your mouth. Open. Oh, that's my baby. Smile for me. Yeah.
If I had wanted her to come here, I would have called her phone. I don't like this.
Why would I tell her? You told me she's your girlfriend now. So both of you are dating. Eh? That's what you told me. So I directed her with my church mind.
Dating not Agusi. Eh? Miss Agusi, when I dated, the relationship is over. We have broken up. I don't want her again. Yes. See, let me tell you. If I continue to date that girl next week, I will die before my time. Before weekend, if we obituary poster, that's so young after a brief illness. Eh? They would know that after a brief. See, please, I don't want again. Federal government is still owing me. I don't want to die now.
Anayo, are you the one saying this thing?
No, I'm Panukwai.
When I told you that girl is not good to keep as a girlfriend, You said no. I told you that the girl, she's only good. You take and go. She's only a village prostitute in this village. I told you, you said no. Now you are complaining. You must go back. Oh.
Mommy.
You must go.
Mommy, I wanted to do... But you know that every goes with money. So the first I went. Very sweet. But I don't have money to be paying every day. I said no. I use your style. Brain. Say, let me talk to her into being boyfriend and girlfriend. From there, she wanted to keep me. Can't you know? You but no, where'd you come before I died before my time? I cannot. Never.
You will not die.
I will not die,
you will not die. You didn't hear.
Let her go, please.
Talk of the devil. Look at her coming. Look at the girl coming. Oh, baby, the living. You've never seen anything.
In fact, let her come. What is it, sir? Am I afraid of you? Eh? Or if I didn't worry about, or is he your own?
Anthony.
Yeah?
I really want us to talk about us.
What about us?
Do you really love me?
Of course I love you. And you know it.
I don't know it. You know, why am I not feeling us? Why does it seem like I'm the only one in this relationship?
I don't get it. What do you mean?
Like I am forcing myself on you. Anthony, can you be sincere with me? Do you still have feelings for your ex? Rosie?
Rosie?
Yes.
Hell no. Come on. I don't have any feelings for her. You know very well I love you. You are the only one I love. I care so much about you. You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please. You know lately I've been down because of my mother's illness. Bear with me. Soon I will overcome this and I will be fine.
I hope so. Listen, I want you to be an happy man. And I want you to make me feel like I have a man in my life, not the way I'm feeling right now.
Nika, for my sister, I can't lie to you. I can't even think of hiding anything from you.
What is it?
Loma,
What is it?
Anayo has not changed. He has not changed. Anayo now steals from me. Not just that. He borrows money from me, and not just me, everybody in the village. Hey. And guess what? I end up paying to avoid embarrassment.
You are joking. You're not serious. Wait,
Very
you mean Anayo is still living this his life? Even in his current situation? Hey! Anayo will never change. Listen, you need to start planning your life right now. You need to.
Sister, I know. But how? See, I've just decided not to bring my family problems out to the public anymore. Because I'll end up getting bad advice. And I want you to learn how to do that, my sister. I want you to learn how to keep your family problems inside. Nobody loves you.
Ne, you dey try. You dey try, you.
Hey! Sister, you self can do it. You can do it. Eduk is a good man. And I don't want you to end up pushing him out to all these hungry, desperate women out there. Because there are lots of them.
for a man they will come home to. I'm telling you. Everywhere. Sister, you're laughing. I know what I'm telling you. I know.
Hey! Who? Who was who? Who will want that poor, wretched village church rats? That thing.
Sister. Sister, stop laughing. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying.
I try not to pick up. How Aloba?
Listen, I am just managing him. I'm just managing him. As soon as I get something reasonable to do, I mean a good job. I will leave him. Sister, you will do no such. Sister, I forbid you to do that. You will do no such. Sister, stay with your husband. Stay with Ejike and build your home. Build your future with Ejike. Ejike is a good man. You don't just know. Enigua, the face is not good and it's getting dark.
Sister, I'm saying something. You're saying you want to go. I know what I'm saying. Ejike is a good man. Ejike is far more better than Anna. I know.
If I stay here now, you will finish all the talk. Remember some.
Sister.
You're driving.
Where are we going?
Well, it is a surprise.
I don't like surprises.
Oh, really? You don't? But not for this one, my love, because this one is a pleasant surprise. You will love it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. You will love it. Just don't worry, don't worry.
Baby.
How far now?
I'm fine, oh. This is my sister, Ebere. She sends her regards to you.
In that case, let me come and collect my okwa. She promised me okwa.
No, there's no okwa. She said there's nothing in the village. Nico, every time collect.
That means I just stood up for nothing.
Wait. It seems my husband is not yet back.
Isn't that his new style? By now you should be used to it now. Or probably his girlfriend is taking good care of him somewhere.
It is only a foolish man like Ejike that would prefer the company of another woman to that of his wife's. It's okay. I know what to do. Let him remain there. Let him better remain there. Because if he comes back to this house, see this house? It will be too small for him and I.
Anthony Joshua!
You know me. Let him not try it. Onyan Zuzu.
But no, all of them are the same. Girl, you are still young and vibrant. Very big, extremely big. Look at you. You are beautiful and educated. Young ladies like you are making it big. Extremely big. But you are here dulling yourself when you have what it takes to win a man's heart.
Don't worry. It's just my decision. You know, I made up my mind not to eat outside. Because if I start, you know me now, it will be too much.
I'm not saying you should.
But no problem. Let him go and come back. Educate in this house. Hey! Hey! Oh, the man. Oh, Jessica! Yajebata. Let him go and come back.
Yes. Fire him.
You know me.
Yes, I know.
I will be waiting for Ejike in this house.
Oh yes.
I'll kill him.
Oh yes. Fire him.
Useless thing.
Fire him.
No problem. I will stay here and be.
Hey! wahala.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Corner na loboya. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, na him you go reap. Oh, better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Corner na loboya. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, na him you go reap. You choose to live your life anyhow. Where is your integrity? One day go be one day, you go clear for your eyes. No say you know you're a more. Say sweet things they.
Go back to where you're coming from.
Nika, you're creating a scene, oh. Allow me into my house.
Which house? Eh? Go
Nika,
in where?
I don't like what you're doing.
I can see you have a new home. Go to your new home.
What is
you have really changed though.
What is wrong?
But not the more like that. It's good like that.
Eh? What is KNMG? What is wrong?
What's wrong with you too?
Allow me into my house.
Which house? Which house?
Eh? You want to fight me? Biko, Ika drum. I don't have time.
My friend, go back. You're not entering anywhere. Enter where?
I'll push you out. Oh.
Can you try it?
You're going to injure yourself. Oh.
Can you dare it? Why now?
Nika.
Why now?
Nika, I'm taking it
Can go sit here to bring wine now.
Eh.
Try it. Just why?
And when Hon said you blow wine, I won't blow like Naba. Nika, you're creating a scene here.
Oh!
You're creating a scene.
I'm creating a scene here. Eh? Hey. Okay. I am creating a scene here.
See how you're shouting at people are looking at you, listening to you. Eh? Nika, stop that. Stop.
What?
Nika, what is wrong with you? Open the door now. Open the gate. Open.
This is the key.